Hello, in this video I want to show you how to power on or off your Bose Portable home speaker. So first let's put it on the side like this. Now here we can find the power on and power off button, and make sure that the device is actually loaded with a battery. Now let's click on the power button.
Battery 100%.
And
Connecting to Zenfone 7 Pro.
And now we just enabled this portable speaker. Now let's turn it off by holding the button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.